In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a document using Dropbox Sign in just 5 minutes. To get started, you'll first want to open your preferred web browser. Now type Dropbox Sign into the search bar and hit Enter. Once you've found the appropriate link to Dropbox Sign, go ahead and click on it to navigate to their website. Now that you're on the Dropbox Sign page, you'll need to log in. Use your existing Dropbox account credentials to sign in. If you don't have an account yet, you might need to quickly create one. But keep in mind, this walkthrough assumes you already have access. With that sorted, the next step is to upload the document you wish to sign. Locate the Upload section on the Dropbox interface and either drag your desired document into the window or click to browse your computer files and select your document manually. The system will begin uploading your file to Dropbox's cloud storage. Once your document is successfully uploaded, it's time to zero in on that specific file. Click on the document to select it, and then navigate to the menu options where you'll see an Edit button. Click on Edit, and this will transition you to a new page designed specifically to facilitate electronic signing. On this page, you'll be prompted to add signers. Since you are the only one signing this document, go ahead and select the option that reads, "I'm the only signer." This lets the system know that you're intending to be the sole signatory, streamlining your signing process. Next, you'll gain full visibility of the document you need to sign. Here comes the exciting part: creating your signature. You have 3 choices. You can type your name, use your mouse or a touchscreen to draw your signature, or upload an image of your handwritten signature. Each of these methods is straightforward and allows you to ensure your signature appears exactly how you want. Once you have your signature looking just right, it's time to place it on the document. Click on the document where you want the signature to appear. After inserting your signature, you'll want to click Next. This confirmation sends the changes forward with your newly added signature. Finally, it's time to choose a location within your Dropbox to save this newly signed document. Select or create a folder that makes sense for your organization needs, then save the file. By saving it back into Dropbox, you ensure that it's accessible from anywhere you have an internet connection. And there you have it. You've now signed your document using Dropbox Sign in just a few simple steps. This process is both efficient and environmentally friendly, eliminating the need for printing and scanning. Thanks for watching, and I hope you found this tutorial helpful.